If you're looking to use gold and silver for more stable and consistent retirement income, you're not alone. A lot of retirees are increasingly turning to these precious metals as a way to safeguard their wealth and ensure a steady income throughout their retirement years. But how exactly do gold and silver work for retirement income? And more importantly, how can you use them to make sure your retirement is secure, no matter what the economy throws at you? In the next few minutes, I'll show you how you can leverage gold and silver in your retirement strategy to create stability and consistency in your income. Now, before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I strongly encourage you to click the first link in the description for a free guide on why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their wealth. Trust me, it's worth checking out. Gold and silver are two of the most trusted forms of wealth protection, and when used correctly, they can provide a reliable, stable income source for retirees. Unlike stocks or bonds, which can fluctuate wildly and are vulnerable to market crashes, gold and silver have been used for centuries as a store of value. They're tangible, they hold intrinsic value, and they often perform well during times of economic uncertainty. One of the best ways to use gold and silver in your retirement is through a gold IRA. A gold IRA allows you to hold physical gold and silver in a tax-advantaged account, just like a traditional IRA holds stocks or bonds. This can give you significant tax benefits while also protecting your wealth from inflation, market downturns, and geopolitical instability. The great thing about gold IRAs is that they give you access to the security of precious metals, while still providing the flexibility of an IRA, so you can withdraw funds when you need them most. Now, you may be wondering, why not just buy gold and silver directly? While it's true that you can buy physical gold and silver bars or coins, the advantage of using a gold IRA is the tax benefits. With a gold IRA, you don't have to pay taxes on the gains, as long as the gold stays in the account. You also don't have to worry about storing the metals yourself. Your IRA custodian takes care of that for you, keeping your gold and silver in a secure, insured facility. Gold and silver can also help you hedge against inflation. When inflation rises, the purchasing power of the dollar decreases, and that's where gold and silver shine. They tend to rise in value during inflationary periods, ensuring that your wealth keeps pace with rising costs of living. For retirees, this means that the value of your retirement savings can stay stable or even increase, even as inflation eats away at the value of paper money. Another way gold and silver can provide stable income is by offering protection from volatile stock markets. In times of economic uncertainty, stocks can be unpredictable. In contrast, precious metals tend to hold or increase in value, even during market downturns. So if you have a portion of your retirement savings in gold and silver, you can rest easy knowing that part of your wealth is insulated from stock market crashes or financial crises. When it comes to getting started with using gold and silver for your retirement income, the first step is to open a gold IRA. This is the best option for anyone with significant retirement savings, especially if you have $100K or more in an IRA or 401k, or even $5 million in savings. A gold IRA is the perfect way to make sure your wealth is protected and your income is stable no matter what happens in the broader economy. And if you're wondering about the logistics, it's easy to roll over your existing IRA or 401k into a gold IRA. You don't even have to pay taxes or penalties if you follow the proper rollover process. Your new gold IRA provider will handle all the details for you. To wrap up, if you're looking for stability, protection, and reliable income during your retirement, using gold and silver through a gold IRA is one of the best strategies you can adopt. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, click the first link in the description to get your free guide to opening a gold IRA. This guide is perfect for retirees with 100K plus or more in their IRA or 401k, or even 5 million plus in savings. Thanks for watching. Don't wait. Protect your retirement today.